Have you been looking for authentic Copic markers in the Philippines? Well, you're in luck because we at Artillery Philippines have a wide selection of Copic products. From Copic markers to Copic Multiliners to Copic paper. In this video, we'll break down the basic things you need to know about these items and how you can order them from our store. Keep watching to learn more. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos. Used by professional manga artists, designers, and illustrators, Copic markers are one of the best, if not the best, alcohol markers in the world. They were originally created for fine arts and design, but eventually became well known in the anime and manga industry. From its initial launch of 71 colors, it expanded to 358 rich colors to satisfy the needs of illustrators, designers, and other professionals. At Artillery Philippines, we offer two types of Copic markers, the Copic Sketch and the Copic Ciao. We sell them individually and in sets. For the sets, you can choose your own colors, or you can pick from a selection of basic pre-made sets. Now, let's talk about the Copic Sketch. This is the most popular type of Copic marker. With 358 colors to choose from, the Sketch has the widest color selection compared to all the other models. The barrel is oval-shaped, so your markers don't roll off your desk so easily. It's dual-tipped and comes with two nibs, a super brush nib and a broad chisel nib. There are color codes on both caps, which makes it easy to identify the exact color of the marker. Besides the Copic Sketch, we also sell the Copic Ciao. These markers were made for beginners. They have a round body, hold less ink, and are more economical than the Copic Sketch. They come in 180 different colors, a little over half of the total color for the Copic Sketch. Like the Sketch, it's also dual-tipped and has the same nibs, a super brush nib and a broad chisel nib. The color codes are written on the body. There are no color codes on the cap, so it may be a bit difficult to identify the exact color depending on how you store it. Now, the Copic Sketch and Copic Ciao have the same alcohol inks, so you can use them together without any problems. They're both refillable, and their nibs are replaceable, so one marker can last you for years to come. To avoid ruining your nibs, we would recommend using Copic Multiliners or other Copic-compatible inks for your line art. We offer Copic Multiliners in various sizes and colors. The most popular ones are black and sepia, but we also have more unique colors like warm gray, olive green, cobalt blue, and sakura pink. We also have the Copic Multiliner SP. This type of multiliner is refillable and the nibs are also replaceable. It comes in more sizes than their disposable counterparts, allowing you to create line art in even greater detail. However, it only comes in black. Both kinds of multiliners are also waterproof, so you can use them with watercolor with no problem. Copic markers can bleed through regular copy paper, so be careful about staining your desk. The type of paper can also affect how vibrant the colors will look. Using the right material will help improve the quality of your artwork. The 2PM pad and the Copic paper selection were especially made for Copic markers. We mainly sell 2PM pads in B5 and A4 sizes, while the Copic paper selection comes in small and large sizes. The 2PM pad is 68 GSM and has 50 sheets, while the Copic paper selection is 157 GSM and has 30 sheets. You'll notice that the papers are not too thick, so it doesn't absorb excess ink when you're using your markers. If you're interested in learning more about all these amazing Copic products, we're actually giving away a free Copic Beginner Guide ebook. We've put the link in the description below, so make sure to download. If you're in the Philippines and you want to get all these amazing art supplies, then go and visit our online store. Simply go to artillery.ph. You can also visit our Shopee and Lazada accounts as well. We offer cash on delivery and free shipping. For international buyers, you can go to artillerysupplies.com. We have all the links in the description, so feel free to check it out down below. If you learned something from this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notification. We'll see you guys in the next video.